Hello friends, I am Avinash Patil. Welcome all of you on our YouTube channel Vidya Bharati Pathshala. Now today we are going to study wordplay, and in wordplay the first topic is anagrams. Firstly, we will try to understand what is anagram. An anagram is a play on words created by rearranging the letters of the original words to make a new word or phrase. Anagrams can be fun and witty. With the help of the words which is given in the word, with the help of the letters, we can rearrange new words, that is anagram. For example, state test. Now here the letters of state, STATE, we rearrange all these letters and make new word test. In this way, second word dusty, from dusty we can rearrange new word study, save, waste, think, night, etc. In this way we can make, or we can we can rearrange new words from the letters which is given here in the specific words. Now, number one, anagrams of three letters. Now here we create anagrams, or we rearrange the words, three letter words. So firstly, one, anagrams of three letters: F, P, R, ear, tar, rat, arc, car, cat, act. Then number two, anagrams of four letters: save, waste, calf, face, care, race, meet, team, flow, wolf. And then number three, anagrams of five letters: night, thing, state, taste, dusty, study, elbow, below, board, road. In this way we can create various kinds of anagrams. Now next, individual anagrams. Make anagrams of the following words. Remember, an anagram contains exactly the same letters, no more, no less, in a different order. That is called individual anagrams. Ten, dairy, glean, farmer, auction, listen, allergy, funeral, teacher, and dormitory. Now here, from 10 we create net, dairy, diary, glean, angel, farmer, reform, auction, caution, listen, silent, allergy, gallery, largely, really, funeral, real fun, teacher, cheater, dormitory, dirty room. In this way, these are the examples of individual anagrams. Now next, mother tongue or other tongue. Now here there are some words in English which sound like words in your mother tongue. There are various kinds of words which sound like our mother tongue, but if you consider the meaning and use, you realize that they are different words altogether. And when we try to use it, then we realize that they are very different kind of words. There is a table. Four columns are there: words, meaning in English, meaning in Marathi, and meaning in Hindi. The first word rose. It means in English a flower. In Marathi we call daily, and in Hindi every day. Then second word sun. There are two suns, SUN and SON. first sun means a star, Marathi meaning festival and meaning in Hindi year. Second word sun, SON, English meaning a male hair and Marathi meaning year, and in Hindi it is also year. Then next word peace, peace meaning in English a bit, calm, meaning in Marathi a feather and meaning in Hindi grained. Then last word calm meaning in English peaceful, calm means peaceful. Then we call in Marathi work and in Hindi it is also work. In this way there are various types of words which we use in English and our mother tongue, but they are different. Now next activity. Now complete the following table. There is a table words meaning in English and meaning in Marathi. Now first word boat, meaning in English a limb of human body and in Marathi a finger. Second word soon, meaning in English we can write shortly, meaning in Marathi daughter-in-law. Then a rope, in English we can say a strong cord and in Marathi a plant. Then next word lake, lake means in English pond and in Marathi daughter. Then last word name, meaning in English a name of a person, place or thing, and meaning in Marathi aim. In this way we have completed this activity, this table, with the help of previous table or charts. In this way well my friends, we have studied here anagrams, then individual anagrams and mother tongue and other tongue activities. Thanks a lot for watching this video.